Hi everybody, welcome to Kingdom Keto with Carrie, and today, are you ready? We're doing something so fun for the fam. Here we go. We've got some keto ground meat pre-seasoned in the bottom of a muffin pan. We have some sharp cheddar cheese, shredded, carb-free. We're gonna take this pan and just smash these down for some little great smash burgers. And then we are going to assemble these shredded cheddar cheese buns. Now, if you saw my video on the cheese bread with the pickles in it, it's similar to that a little bit, but these are going to be shaped differently. We're going to put a pickle on top of each of these small cheddar cheese muffins. They're going to be like little buns. And we could put more than one piece if we want to. And now what we're going to do is we are going to take some more shredded cheese that I have prepped up for you. We're going to put it on the top real quickly. So very similar to the video that we have on the cheese pickle bread, this is going to have that pickle on the inside. That bite of pickle inside the cheese is so magnetic and so incredible. I have to do this again because it just makes these burgers so much more delicious for your family. Then what I'm gonna take is, I'm gonna take a little bit of jalapeno. I'm gonna put that on the top of this cheese bread so that it just comes out the top. And you don't have to use jalapeno if some of the family doesn't prefer to have the jalapeno, but this actually is very good. All right, there we have it. So now these are assembled and we're ready to bake. 400 degrees, 15 minutes, and stay tuned, we're gonna wrap these up. First, a quick note. Make sure that you have taken your cheese buns with the pickle inside out of its tray and allowed it to crisp up on its own. There's a natural juice and residue underneath it that is formed when it's baking, and if you leave it in the muffin pan just a little bit too long, it's going to be more soggy than it is going to be crispy. So that is a good tip for this particular recipe. You are going to love the taste of these. And we are back. This family fun is baked and ready to roll. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, because they baked in the actual muffin pans, there's a little bit of residue underneath each burger and underneath the cheese. You just want to wipe it out with a small little paper towel. Make sure that they come out very simply and easily. That's what I did. And now I'm gonna place them on this plate and we're going to put them together. I have some different types that we're gonna put together today, so keep watching and you're going to love these, and we're going to taste at the end. All right, here's our first cheese pickle bread bun, the bottom of it. We're going to put it here. We'll put it here actually. We're going to take one of our burgers, we're going to place it on top, and then we're going to place one of our buns on here. We're just going to load this tray up, and then we're going to come right back like I said, and we're going to put these together. All right, this is our last one for this today. Let's go use this one. I got a few extra burgers left. You can always use different size trays, of course. All right, so I'm gonna scoot these over, and what I wanna do is I'm gonna bring to the table here these three, and we're gonna make three differently dressed burgers with this cheddar cheese pickle bread. Now the first one we're gonna do is I'm going to build it just like a regular burger. So I'm gonna put some avocado mayo. I already dressed the top of this one, so I'm going to dress the bottom of this one. So put some mayo in there. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a tomato, and we are going to put some beautiful romaine crispy green lettuce, and I'm just gonna put a toothpick in it. These are delicious for the family, especially on the weekends when everyone's home. Now, I've got 2 more here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this next one just like it is with an onion slice. I'll do this one in the middle. An onion slice and 2 pieces of bacon over it. I'm going to crisscross the bacon, and I'm going to use this toothpick to hold it together. And you probably have some fun toothpicks at home. Mine are just regular that I have here. But you could make it fun how you want for the summertime or wintertime or whenever you're going to have these. And then this last one I'm going to do, I really don't need the extra mayo because I've got this crispy coleslaw already built and ready to go. I'm going to pour on the top here and just let it spill over some like a fun burger. And I'm going to put that toothpick in the top. Now this coleslaw is the fresh cabbage tricolor that you can buy already ready to roll. I used a little, like a half teaspoon of avocado mayonnaise, but I wanted to show you, this is my seasoning I used, was the Zatarain's blackened seasoning. If you just use a little bit of it in there, it gives that coleslaw a bite that is so incredible, especially in a journey like this where you're building a burger. These tasty burgers with the cheese pickle bread buns is going to be about 2 ounces of meat per burger. So you could actually put that little piece of bacon on there or eat more multitudes of them and not really go over macros. We are going to taste test real quick. I think what I'm going to do is taste test this one with the bacon and the onion on it. I'm just going to take this toothpick out and hold it together here. Look at that middle. It's so good. It's the pickle cheese bread with the bacon. Oh my goodness, I didn't put it on that one the last time. This is delicious. Enjoy with your family and friends, like I said, and we'll see you next time on Keto with Carrie. If you'd like to watch the pickled cheese bread as a sandwich video, please check the description for the link, and I've attached the thumbnail here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.